One of the options you have is to use a chisel. If you can get the chisel to bite in the bolt, you can tap it in a circle and spin it out. Now that I've got the bolt out far enough with the chisel that I can get a hold of it with channel locks or pliers, I will use those to spin it the rest of the way out. I forgot to mention in the first clip, these bolts are red Loctited in, so a little bit of heat helps to free up that hold the Loctite has. Right here, I'm using a center punch to center punch the flattest, most centered part of the bolt. Now, I'm moving to a left-handed drill bit, and I'm going to drill down the center of the bolt with the left-handed drill bit. If you're lucky, the bolt sometimes will turn out with the left-handed bit, and you will not need to go any further from here. Now I'm switching to the extractor. This particular set is a grip edge set. It works well. You pound the extractor into the hole and simply turn the bolt out. This set is nice. Once you get it out, it has a pusher built into the extractor to use a wrench, and it'll push the broken piece of bolt off of the extractor. Now you just repeat the steps over and over until you get them all out.